Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for online learning platform. If you run an online learning platform, then keeping learners engaged and reducing drop-offs can be a very difficult task. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send templates to give lesson reminders and reduce drop-offs automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for an online learning platform with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And as you can see, I have sent a template message to the user with the help of inbox section in Pabbly Chatflow. And the template message will look like this to the user. And it says, "Welcome to LearnMax Academy. Just a reminder to complete your next lesson today. You're doing great, keep going. Stay on track with your lessons and progress. What would you like to do today?" So I'm going to view my progress. And immediately our chatbot will respond us with, "Your current progress. Modules completed 3 out of 8. Last login 2 days ago. Keep it up, let's finish strong. If you need any help, you can reach a mentor anytime." But here I'm going to choose the next option that says next lesson info. So here I'm going to click on it and immediately our chatbot will respond us with your next lesson, module 4, intro to UX design. Status not started, duration 20 minutes, start now to stay ahead. If you need any help, you can reach a mentor anytime. So I'm going to click on contact mentor and it will provide me all the contact details to contact a mentor. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for an online learning platform. Now to create this chatbot, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp Chatbot for an online learning platform. Now you can see there is a flow start box on my screen, under which there is an option to enter keywords. This is used to activate the chatbot with the help of some general keywords like hi or hello. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern which is used to safely trigger the chatbot with any keyword. Here we also have an option to choose template. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose your template to send to the user. Here I am going to choose this online learning template. It will look like this. If you want to learn how to create template, you will get a link in the description box. In my template, I have added message, "Welcome to LearnMax Academy. Just a reminder to complete your next lesson today. You are doing great, keep going. Stay on track with the lessons and progress. What would you like to do today?" And here I have given 3 options to the user: view my progress, next lesson info, or talk to a mentor. So here we are going to create a response for first option that says view my progress. So I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add your current progress. Modules completed 3 out of 8. Last login 2 days ago. Keep it up. Let's finish strong. If you need any help, you can reach a mentor anytime. So here I'm going to provide an option to contact mentor with the help of this add button option. So here I'm going to add an option to contact the mentor. Next, we are going to create a response for next lesson info. And again, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add a message. This message which will look like this to the user. Again, I'm going to create an option from which the user can contact mentor. Contact mentor option. Lastly, we have an option to talk to a mentor. So here I'm going to provide all the contact details of the mentor so the user can connect to the mentor. So here I'm going to add the details like this. It will look like this to the user. Now I'm going to connect last 2 options of connect to the mentor with the contact details I have shared, link both of the quick reply options, and we have completed our chatbot for online learning platform. If you want to create a similar chatbot, you can do that by following the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you are done creating your chatbot, you have to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.